What's the best way to change your dog's diet? Let's find out together. Switching your dog's food isn't tricky, but it does need some care. Start by mixing a small amount of the new food with the old. Gradually increase the new food over 7 to 10 days. Keep an eye on your dog's reactions. Look for signs of allergies or an upset tummy. If everything looks good, keep going. Remember, patience is key. A slow transition helps avoid digestive issues, and always keep fresh water available. If you notice any problems, stop and consult your vet. They can offer advice tailored to your dog's needs. Switching diets can be smooth and stress-free with a little planning. Your furry friend will thank you. Ready to make the switch? Take it slow, stay patient, and enjoy the journey with your dog. Check out our other videos for dog training tips.